girl, you're so fine. I can't get you off my mind. Ooh, girl, nah, nah. Ooh, girl, nah, nah. Baby girl, don't need to flex. Dance to the rhythm and you do all the rest. Ooh, girl, nah, nah. Ooh, girl, nah, nah. Fly me up with dreams, it's the only thing I need. When I'm down, lift me up with your company. There's no telling what you want me creating. We're on the same wavelength.
Would you be able to stand on one of these?
Yeah.
Are you?
Shoes or no shoes?
Maybe no shoes. So we have to find like a cleaner one. Maybe this one. Ooh. Okay. So I'm still going to want you to tiptoe on both, yeah. And then you're facing the direction of the sun. Yeah, that's
one of the most crucial aspects of natural light photography is timing. The golden hours usually offer soft, warm, and flattering lights, but in our case, we started shooting close to 4 p.m. and so the sun had some direction to it, which I love.
How about you? Maybe you cross your leg and then your arms up like that. Oh, actually, before we go all the way up, let's start from, and then can you pull the shots up a little bit? Yeah. So we'll start from here and then finally you can go up.
Directing models by observing what they do is an art that unlocks the true essence of photography.
Just bring your eyes back to me. Yeah, perfect. Okay, now let's go up with the hands. Yeah, that's it, that's it. Okay, let me go wider for this shot.
It's truly a fascinating process of drawing inspiration from their expressions and interactions.
Okay. Let me show you what we're getting.
Showing models shots as we shoot equals instant confidence boost. They see themselves slaying it, they get inspired even more, and we create even better images.
Yes.
I really love this. So we can just do a couple more and then, yeah. But let me change. I was 70. Should I do the 51.4? I'm really loving what you're doing.
You can see the camera settings I'm using to nail those exposures right on the screen. Trust me, relying on the histogram is a game changer for exposing properly. I'll dive into this more soon. I also added a Nisi polarizing filter to my 24-70 lens, and honestly, I couldn't tell much difference just yet, but I'll dig deeper to understand its magic better, so stay tuned.
I think this will really look good with the 85. Let me change to the 85 because I really want to blur the background. All right, so guys, I've switched to the 85 and looking at my settings, because it's at 1.4, I need to increase my shutter speed to compensate, and currently I'm at 1/8000.
I switched to my Sigma 85 1.4 for two key reasons. One is that sweet 1.4 aperture for a blurry background, and two is to explore more compression in my images. The 24-70 is my go-to because of its versatility, but the 85 and 50 are my specialty lenses now, especially when I crave a specific look.
I'm gonna come close and get a tighter shot. Yeah, right there. Yes. Beautiful.
Just look at the compression that this lens creates and look at how creamy the background is.
Come on, have a conversation. Don't treat me like a stranger. You give me motivation.
Turn your face this way and then let's just flip the hair out of your face. Yeah, that's it. Beautiful. Yes. Turn your face to me a little bit more. Yeah. Awesome. Yeah.
This was a quick demo exploring shooting with natural light, and I had a blast capturing these moments. The lighting was just perfect, directional and flattering, bringing out the best in our model Cardi. During the shoot, we experimented with filters on my 24-70 lens, and I brought out my Sigma 85 1.4 lens for that dreamy blurred background. It was cool to switch between the 24-70 and the specialty lenses to achieve specific looks that I had in mind. Relying on the histogram for exposure was a game changer. We nailed those exposures, resulting in well-balanced images quickly, as it almost eliminated the need for me to do a lot of tests. I can't wait to review the shots and make this experience even better. This is also a great time to remind you to subscribe to my channel if you haven't, or if this is your first time here. And also, if you have plans of supporting me, a great way will be to check out my website, as I have some digital assets that will help you improve on your photography and your retouching. So if you enjoyed this video, thanks for watching. Thanks for making the time to join me today. I will catch you guys in the next one. And remember, don't ever give up.
Oh girl, nah, nah.